Hey guys, today I'm going for my what seems to be like my last doctor's appointment, and hopefully it's going to be my last doctor appointment before baby gets here. As you can see, the belly is really big. Look at that. Oh my god. It's actually not my last doctor's appointment, it's my last ultrasound appointment. So you start seeing the doctor every week in your third trimester. So I'm going to be seeing the doctor every week. And but today is my last actual ultrasound appointment. Come here.
Today is our last ultrasound appointment. Bye!
Nandy, why are you yelling?
Because today is the last ultrasound appointment. Bye! Let's go.
What are you about to do with that?
Cut this.
I don't know if I told you guys this, but pineapples are one of my favorite things. And I suck at cutting it, so Nandy knows how to do it better. So I always let him do it. Look how serious his face is. Anyway, so, oh my god, you're taking all the meat off of it.
It's bad.
No, it's not. So I recently posted the What's in My Hospital Bag video, and I asked a lot of you guys to give me some suggestions of what you think should be in the bag, and a lot of you pointed out that I needed to wash all the baby's clothes and the bottles and binkies and stuff. So that is just what I'm doing here. I just went through her closet and got all her newborn to 6 months clothing. I'm going to take all the tags and hangers off of it and get it ready to get washed. I'm also opening all the pacifiers and binkies and stuff so that I can sterilize them and make sure they're ready for when she's ready to use them. This right here is a breast pump. I'm also going to use the same strategy to sterilize the breast pump, even though it's brand new, just because it makes more sense to do it that way. And I'm taking all the pieces apart to make sure that I get it clean properly. A lot of you brought up a good point that a lot of the clothes are made of chemical, and sometimes people buy these things and return them to the store. So I don't know whose house it's been in, or what's been done to them. So I'm glad you guys said something, because as I said, I'm a new mom and I don't know a lot about these things. So I'm so grateful that you guys were able to teach me some of these things. And also a lot of the stuff I packed, like the boy shorts and all of that, you guys were really good at telling me that, honey, you don't even need that stuff. I was reading a lot of those comments and they really cracked me up. But I just want to say I appreciate you guys for all the tips and tricks and stuff. So the method I'm going to use here is an old school style that I learned from my family. I'm just going to use this big old pot to boil all the bottle and pacifiers and stuff for a few minutes. And then after that, I'm going to wash it with a baby sensitive soap before I can put it onto the dryer to let it air dry. Once it's dried, I'm going to put all the pieces together and then get them ready. Guys, I'm almost embarrassed to show you guys this room. This is the room we ultimately turned into the baby nursery. I'm sure you guys have already seen that video, but this is before we converted it. So this room was a storage room. It was also like a partial office for Nandy. We just got lazy and we just used to throw things everywhere. That is some of my lighting from my videos, and I don't even know what all we have in here. It's just a whole bunch of mess. So we're gonna try to transform it. Because I have a really big belly right now, I can't do a lot of heavy lifting. So Nandy is going to be the one doing the cleaning, and then I'll help him out as much as I can, and then I'll do the decorating for the baby's room. So Daddy's about to do his job. He looks terrified. He's just looking around like, oh my god, where the heck do I start? You can do it.
Okay.
So once the room was partly clean, at least to where we could see the floors, we decided to put the baby's crib together just to see how well it's going to fit into the room or if we need to make any adjustments. So Nandy doesn't like to read the instructions. He likes to look at the pictures and just put things together. But half of the time when he does that, he ends up missing a step. So I am more patient with these things. So I usually read the directions and then he'll put them together. That way we're not doing double work and we work great together as a team. So once we were done putting the crib together, we both got a little emotional because it was finally starting to look real. So that is why we are hugging each other. We are really excited, and now all I have to do is put the room together. I need help putting my shoes on, so I can't see my feet anymore. Okay. I know. I look fat. Say something.
She look fat.
Really?
In the sky, G5, you fly. Do you buy? I can see the vitality on your eye.
He doesn't know how to parallel park like I do because I'm a pro at this. I tried to tell him, but he was arguing with me, so I let him do it, and now look where he ended up. As you can see, he's struggling here. There you go, 10 years later. Yeah, because that's where you sit first. Get me? I'm just sitting here waiting for the doctor. It's freezing in here. I have so many blankets on me. They have the ultrasound machines. They already took some pictures, if you can see. So the tech comes and she takes all the pictures, making sure that everything baby-wise is okay. And then she gets the doctor and he comes and interprets everything and answers any questions I have. So the tech has already taken all the pictures, as you can see up there. She gave me a CD as well with everything, and she says everything's fine, baby's good. So now we're just waiting for the doctor. So we just came back from the ultrasound. They didn't let us take any pictures because it's part of their facility policy not to do so. So we were respectful of that, of course, but we did get a lot of pictures. I'll show you guys my favorite one. Where is my favorite one? This one. This one's my favorite one. She looks so adorable with those chubby little cheeks. So we have just a few more weeks left and we'll be done. And we're really excited because everything is fine. Did you see that?
I see.
Dang. So they said everything is fine, baby's growing well, and everything looks good. So we're both excited. So I think we're gonna end this vlog here now. What do you think?
Yep. Bye, guys.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.